all packed up, ready to head out. On a beautiful sunny day.
Day 5 and we've only made it to Nanaimo. Oh no, we're in Idaho.
Day 5. campsite for the night. And believe it or not, this campsite way out in the middle of nowhere has an electrical outlet. Cool. And I feel just a little drug out. But wow, what a ride. That was a beautiful, beautiful ride along Highway 12. It's a biker famous route. And when we leave here, we'll go through Lolo Pass, which is also biker famous. Beautiful area. Almost left the camera on the whole time, but I guess a little bit is a little bit.
Where's your key at, dear? I need it to shut your bike off. It's me back here. I'm the other half of this. Let me feel. Oh.
Stanley.
What? No,
quit feeling my pockets.
Where is it?
It's in the right hand pocket.
Can I feel
and
that
I'm going to shut this off now.
Oh, I found. Well, here's our camp spot. In the mountains before the low run here. Supper's about near ready. Nice breeze coming from up this here way. Not bad for $10 a night, eh? With electricity. It's because we're seniors. Oh, we're teenagers. I mean, there's our power thing right there. Maybe one day I'll remember to buy another extension cord. Here's the cook over here. She's got a beautiful dinner going by the looks of it. We're darn near ready to eat. Look at that. That's some healthy right there. Well, I'm going to get off here because it's supper time and I'm hungry. It's been a long ride. We did 2.5 hours. Nah, we did 6, I think it was. Something like that. Felt like 14, but 6 anyhow. So, like I said before, you know, we got to, how the hell am I going to do that? Well, this is the best we got, isn't it? I want everybody to know we got to take time in life to stop and smell the flowers. Although we haven't got a flower, it's a pine tree. Oh, it's got a bug on it too, for Christ's sakes. Now it's supper time. Goddamn, no flowers in this park. What kind of park doesn't have a flower in it? You know? Well, after breakfast, it's time to wash up the dishes. We don't need a hell of a lot for this. It's the pot you cook in. Heat up a little bit of water. Wash things off. We don't need to put a disinfectant tablet in the water. Who gives a shit? If you're worried about a little bug getting you after warming the water up on the frying pan, well then I figure you might as well put the mask on. If you're so worried that maybe something from China. Look at that beautiful sky up there. Look at that. You think something's going to blow in from China and infect us? Well, it's because I used water out of the river or out of a tap to wash my dishes. Yeah, it's a bunch of horse shit anyhow. Well, let's go back to this. One of these. The only thing is them goddamn no-seams bite my bald head. Dirty little bastards. And we got a pack of 50 for $1.45 somewhere. Face rags. Well, not that good of a deal. Barb's up brushing her teeth. She don't know I got the camera going. Wait till she looks into this one and goes, what the hell? Who did that? Wasn't me. Anyhow, I think that's got it all. Alrighty. Goddamn bugs. Had my Senagers shirt on a minute ago. Can't wash dishes in that. It's a beautiful day today. I'm just gonna lay around. Let me see. Make sure she's not coming to catch me playing with a camera again. We're gonna go hiking up some trails. We ride motorcycles most of the time to get from hiking trail to hiking trail. But this is just what we do. This is for the kids. They can look at it years later. Look at them two goofy old bastards. If somebody else sees it and don't like it, give a shite. Let's go see if we can get a chipmunk a shower. Oh, there he is over there. Come here, you little bugger. And that was doing the dishes. All right, let me turn this on.
So Stanley says he doesn't think this is much of a trail. Walk along here. Nobody's been in to trim it in a day or 10. Or maybe things just grow fast. But underneath those bushes there is a trail. See?
Snake.
Right there is a trail.
Really? Are you sure?
See? Just under all the bushes.
We're looking front now.
There's a trail. And lots of dead trees and bushes.
I feel like Lewis and Clark there.
You feel like Lewis and Clark, do you?
Oh, if I had a machete, we could get through here.
I think it's a pretty good trail.
Well, this is biking, isn't it?
This is camping. That's what this is.
Two Senagers on running shoes.
That's right, two Senagers on running shoes. Well, I think we'll bypass that little bit.
How about that?
And we'll go around here. No.
Is that you brushing up against a stinging nettle?
No,
Are you sure?
it's not a stinging nettle.
I don't know. I got pants on. I'm gonna stay away from
Oh,
What'd you
there's
see
a
now?
footprint.
Uh-oh.
Someone has gone before us.
It's got big toenails on it and it's round.
I think it's a shoe print. So this is the kind of hiking that I like to do. Stanley, not so much.
Well, you're on that side. I seen you on the other side, you know, when I was looking the other way.
And I see you. Look at you.
How's my hair?
Devil.
How's my hair look? Okay, that way.
Now this is a little bit more like a trail, according to Stanley. It doesn't have bushes growing over top of it, and you can see the pathway quite well. And over there, to our left, is the river that we're camped sort of by. There's little pathways to go down to it from our camp area.
And that clear river water, that's probably water that us Canadians sent down here for these people in the States to have some fresh drinking water, because everything runs downhill. You realize that?
Yes, I do.
And these guys always just waste all their water on lawns and crap like that down here, so we got to keep sending them down water. So
We're such nice neighbors.
I'm guessing that's some of that clear, crisp Canadian water.
I bet it is.
For free. Look at this. Barbara does this to me all the time. She goes, we're out for a nice little hike on this trail. Note the word trail. Look where she takes me. I'm sort of not seeing the trail up here. And we'll end up have to put the camera down in a minute and hike down there and ride her the hell out of the creek for the fish getter. There's sort of a trail here. Funny, I fell on the down mountain, isn't it? Alright, oh, there we go, there we go. I'm coming.
I was beginning to wonder, Slowpoke. We watched some ducklings swim across this river yesterday. It's pretty swift flowing. They managed to do it quite well. I guess they swim better than they. And here we have Stanley getting everything organized to do up this big load of dishes here.
Because we have a rule, whoever cooks doesn't have to do dishes. That's the rule. So.
Well, we've been breaking that in the morning because you've been cooking and doing the dishes. And I'm not complaining.
Yeah, but you cook better than me all the time. This is our simple method. Whatever pot we cook in, that's the same.
Exactly.
You just throw her on the stove for a minute or two until it's warm, which only takes less than a minute or two. Because by God, if the water isn't hot already over there.
Because our water bottle was in the sun for quite a bit of the day. Therefore,
that's warm enough
it's warm enough to wash in.
And where's the towel at?
Right there.
Good, that's right handy for you, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
I'll take this one.
There you go, sir.
And you can go over there and dry dishes. Think you
Well, all right, darling. I'll do that.
I'll hand them to you. You dry them. But, yeah.
It was such a beautiful ride here yesterday. And I couldn't believe the number of butterflies that we scared up along the way. They'd fly up out of the ditches. They just seemed to be everywhere. Just like here. They just seemed to be everywhere. And there's Stanley, sniffing the flowers again. His philosophy, gotta take time to smell the flowers.